All right, so we got a late start this morning because we had really heavy storms. Rain, wind blew through the area at around 5 a.m. It's a little after 7 now. I'm sorry, it is almost 7 now. And I'm taking the first dog for her walk, and then we'll take the other two. All right, we're on the second walk. We got Grizzly T. Barrymore. He's being a pain. As always, quit pulling. Still drizzly, nasty out here. A little chilly, not bad. All right, third dog of the day, Mr. Barron, the next door neighbor's dog. I'm taking him for a walk this morning. We're going to do a couple of miles. He's a little hefty. He needs some exercise, and so do I. Hope everybody's having a great day. We made it to the park. We got about another half mile to go, and it's starting to rain. So we're going to have a big, wet, smelly German Shepherd dog. Yay!